Hey Jacksonville, it's Matt Pittman with the Times Union in Jacksonville.com. Today we're out here at the beach and we're going inside the North Beach Fish Camp, where Chef Mike is about to cook up 2 of their specialty dishes.
Today we're gonna do a little cooking demo for you. We're gonna do a soft shell crab po' boy, and we're gonna do a shrimp and grit. We're definitely gonna use some nice fresh soft shell crabs. We got these in just a day ago, right out of the St. Johns River actually. And then we're using some Mayport shrimp for our shrimp and grits. So for the po' boy, we're gonna start with a little olive oil. A little salt and pepper on this guy. We got a little egg wash mixture here. This is one of our secrets we use on a lot of stuff. It's buttermilk, Old Bay, fresh eggs, and then we got some cornmeal breading right here. All right, so we make sure our pan's nice and hot, smoking a little bit before we throw it in there. Get this guy right on in there. You might pop at you a little bit, Matt, so be careful. Soft shell crabs are great. I mean, what's good about it, different than normal crab, you get to eat the whole thing, you get to eat, all the juices on the inside are really good. The guts is actually what it is, but I mean, you usually don't get to eat that in normal crab, so this thing, you just bite the whole thing and get the juices all over the place. It's delicious. .400-degree ovens, maybe like 2-3 minutes, good to go. All right, so while we're doing that, we'll go ahead and prepare the po' boy bun. So we toasted off a little sourdough roll, and then we're gonna sear it on the flat top, get some color on it, some texture. And then we're gonna we made an Old Bay aioli. So we did fresh egg yolks, mustard, olive oil, Old Bay. We used a little bit of our low boil water in there for secret taste. Spread that on there. All right, and then we made a little marinated green tomato salad. Got shallots, olive oil, lemon, salt. It's gonna be our tomato part of it. Chef Tim, can you drop the shoestring fries? All right, and then we got, we use a place locally here called Gaio Greens, grow your own greens. We get these little sunflower sprouts from them, really delicious. So we're gonna do some of that for our lettuce too, a little olive oil, salt, pepper. All right, the crab should be almost done for another minute. Our finished soft shell crab, it's looking good. Throw this whole thing right on top of here like that. It's a po' boy, it's gonna be a little sloppy. All right, that's one of the specials you can see here on any day of the week. Next up, we're gonna do one of our classics here, Fish Camp Shrimp and Grits. To start off, we're gonna use some Mayport shrimp that we got peeled and deveined. Put a little salt and pepper on them. Just nice even season on them, both sides. While that's heating up, let's taste our grits. See how they came out. Like the taste, Matt?
It's all you,
it's all me. Oh, perfect. So in our grits, we use a little bit of chicken stock, heavy cream, pecorino cheese, thyme, garlic, and they're delicious. A lot of people don't like grits because they've never had grits made properly. When they're like this, it's hard to not love them. All right, so wait, our pan's getting hot now. So we'll go ahead and throw our shrimp in. It's the sound we're looking for. Down a little bit. All right. First off, we're gonna do a little bit of celery, a little bit of red onion, a little bit of red pepper, a little bit of fennel, A little bit of garlic. Cook that for a second there. All right. Then one of our secrets. I want fish stock. A little more white wine. All right, we're gonna let this cook down just a little bit. You know, a big thing about being a chef is tasting everything. We have spoons all over this kitchen. We taste everything that goes out of this kitchen. That's how you ensure the quality. Tastes good, but need a hit of salt. All right, our shrimp are perfect now. We'll go ahead and put them on our plate. Lower your heat a little bit so your sauce don't break. All right, once your butter is all melted, I'm gonna taste it one more time, make sure it's perfect. Yeah, spot on. A little bit more salt. All right, top it off. All right, and that's our fish camp shrimp and grits.
Special thanks to Mike and the staff at the North Beach Fish Camp for letting me inside their kitchen. For a full menu, their hours, and pictures of their amazing food, visit thenorthbeachfishcamp.com.